So can we do
Yeah. Yes, yes. Tell me. Anudip, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Last time we had done quadratic equations. So can we do the before chapter, pair of linear equation to variable?
Yes, pair of linear equations, two variables, and areas related to circles, or areas related to circle and arithmetic progressions. Why? Because arithmetic progressions, I hope we have done many quizzes on that. So let us have linear equation two variables. Pair of linear equations two variables. So your
Yes.
syllabus is pair of linear equations in two variables as areas related to circles. Yes. Pratyusha, what is your syllabus? Everyone turn on your cameras. What is your syllabus, Pratyusha? Everyone turn on your cameras first. Make it fast. Pratyusha, are you here?
Yes.
What is the syllabus for upcoming test?
Areas related to circles and AP. Arithmetic.
AP?
Arithmetic progression.
No, that is not our syllabus. I just rejected that. I told one more chapter. You are not listening, Pratyusha. Everyone turn on your cameras. Udbhav, Imanshu. Patnaik.
Just a minute.
Pratibha, Pratyusha, Akhil, everyone turn on your cameras. Tell me, Pratyusha, what is the syllabus? Areas related to circles and pair of linear equations in two variables. Just now I told, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Pratyusha, you got now?
Yes.
So quiz you want me to conduct? First you want me to conduct quiz? Sira Yogesh is
Yes.
asking for quiz. Okay, let us have a quiz for first 10 minutes, then we start the class as per his wish.
Okay, sir.
So everyone should finish it up fast. Sorry,
Sir, is breaking for me.
I didn't get you.
Sir, your voice is breaking for me, sir.
Then you don't have proper network.
It's not breaking, it's good.
Who is that? Imanshu, please check your network connection, beta.
Yes.
So quiz areas related to circles. So let me start the quiz. Classic. Let me share this link to everyone now. See, I just sent the link to everyone. Please join that link. So 10 questions. Within 4 minutes, you have to finish. Let's make it fast.
Done, sir.
Yes, last 2 minutes. Make it fast, quick. Yes, time up. Let me wind up, guys. Done. You need 1 more minute. Questions are big.
Sir, done.
Sir, done, sir.
Everyone.
Between, sir, my net got disconnected, sir. I was tired.
Okay, no problem. Let me end up the quiz. Akhil first, ABCS second. Who is ABCS? Guys, who is ABCS? Abacus.
Sir, there is no ABCS in the group. Like
Sir,
in the
I am second rank, sir. I think some network issue. Second rank.
Who is ABCS?
Sir, where is my sir? I was on 5th, sir.
No, I was okay.
Okay, Akhil, you was on 5th?
Sir, me, Ahil, sir. I don't know. Maybe the same, sir.
So when I was doing, then I left and then again I started.
So then people might
Same,
have, people might have, done the same quiz. People might have, writing the same quiz, across the world, actually, across like many places. So it is not for our own purpose, right? It might have attempted by many people. So no problem. So yeah. So coming among ourselves, so Akhil got like 80%. So first,
Sir, Akhil had done 2 attempts, sir.
Akhil had done 2 attempts.
Yes,
How?
sir. One
How?
time he left and he done, sir.
Oh.
Sir,
Okay.
I was doing by mistake. I cut, so I joined.
So only one time is permittable, not twice. Please make sure that. Akhil first, so Anudip second, Pratyusha third, Amrita Patnaik, yeah, fourth. But like these people all got 80% only. Congratulations to all this. And yes, Himanshu 60%, Himanshu 70%, Himanshu Star and Himanshu. Who is Himanshu Star and Himanshu?
So I think if they attempt it twice, it gives a star
Oh,
and a normal.
Yes, sir. In between, sir, my Wi-Fi was disconnected. That
okay. Shadab also got 80%, but yeah, 80%. But yes, but Sira and Akhil, Tanvi, Prativa, Tushar, Ahil, Udbhav, guys, and Himanshu, you guys need to improve bit. Okay, make sure that you guys are getting good rank in next exam. I mean, Sunday's
Yes,
exam.
sir.
I
Sir,
should
while
see
attempting the test, there was a different pressure. So the timer.
different.
So the pressure of timer.
See, that is also to avoid the pressure only we are writing the multiple quizzes, isn't it? To avoid that pressure only we are writing multiple quizzes. So no
Yes.
problem. We'll make sure that you just try to habituate for that. No problem. Make sure that you are doing it properly. All right. Yes. So chalo, let's get started with the class now. So last class we have solved a couple of problems, and the rest of the problems I told you to solve, guys. How many have you done that? I do not know. Tell me. Areas related to circles, I asked you to solve few problems. How many have you done that? I'm asking. Guys, everyone, turn on your cameras first. Turn on your cameras. Areas related to circles we are solving. I'm asking you that. So how many have you done with that? Let us have a look at the syllabus once. Guys, look at the syllabus here. This is syllabus, motivated area of circle, area of sector of segment. The problem based on areas and perimeter, circumference above. Okay, we have solved that as well. And yes, we have almost covered the concept, but you need to practice many questions, as many questions as possible. All right. So area motivate the area of circle, area of sectors and segments of circle, problems based on areas and perimeter, circumference of the above said plane figures. So yes, in calculating the area of segment of circle, problem should be restricted the center angle 60 to 90 degrees only. Plane figures involving triangles, simple quadrilaterals and circle should be taken. Okay, no problems. Chalo. Tell me guys, how many have you done with your questions? I have just asked you to solve few questions. How many have you doing that? How many of you are following that?
Sir, yesterday I was doing
questions from triangles chapter. So I didn't do areas related to them.
I should see everyone doing that. And I'm not getting messages nowadays. I should see everyone, texting me, the regarding your homework and all. You guys, I'm not getting any messages from your side. All right, everyone must do that. Is it clear? And guys, hello, everyone. How many of you guys look at? I just shared a couple of questions, isn't it? How many have you done that?
Me, sir.
How many have you done that? Everyone? I need acknowledgement from everyone. Guys, come on. You must talk in a class. I'm not, asking anyone to keep quiet. You can talk, you can share your ideas. If you feel any difficulties, you can talk in the class. No problem. Come on, everyone must say that.
Sir, which questions?
Sorry?
Which questions?
I mean, worksheet. Worksheet, have you done?
Yes, sir. I submitted it long back.
Okay. So now we have to give one more worksheet. I'll give today. No problem. I'll give the worksheet today. And guys, make sure that you. Yes, tell me.
On which topic, sir?
On which topic you want me to give? Areas related to circles only? Okay.
Yes, sir. Areas related to circles.
Yes, sure. I'll give that. And I see here, how many of you submitted? How many of you submitted the worksheets? And how many of you
I
are solving?
submitted.
I need genuine reason. See, Shadab told that he was solving triangles lesson. So yeah, no problem. You have to do something, but you cannot keep quiet, isn't it? Yes.
Sir, I was doing coordinate geometry, sir. I have a test.
Okay.
So I was practicing for that.
What about others?
Sir, I was studying for English. I have exams going on PA1.
Okay. What about others? What about others? Come on. Hello. Guys, are you here? I'm asking you only.
Sir, I'm solving stuff. But sir, some days I can't sir because I have to prepare for exams in school.
Who is that? Akhil?
Udbhav, sir.
Udbhav. What about others? Ahil, Akhil? भाई बताओ जल्दी से क्या हाल है? Are you guys solving the problems? I'm asking you. You must talk. See, must talk. Talking in a class is when I'm asking you some questions, you must respond. That is your basic responsibility. Basic. ठीक है? बताओ जल्दी से. Pratyusha, Prativa, are you able to solve? I never see that you just dropped a message regarding the homework and all. Are you able to follow or not? Huh? I'm asking, make it fast. Tell me. Hello? Pratyusha, Prativa, are you feeling any uncomfortable here? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pratyusha, tell me, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling any uncomfortable? I'm asking whether
No,
you have.
sir.
Are you able to solve the questions? Please try to
Yes,
solve.
sir.
Try to solve all the questions. But if you are not solving, what will happen is you never get to know what mistakes you are making. Clear? Ask the questions, doubt, talk in class. Try to explore your doubts. Then only you can understand where the mistakes you are making with. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about others? And Tanvi, what about you, Tanvi? Tanvi,
Yes, sir.
what about you?
So even I am doing so.
What lesson you are going with now?
So I was doing trigonometry. So
Trigonometry. What about others? Did you submit your worksheet? Tanvi,
yes, sir.
Did you submit your worksheet, whichever we have, posted like earlier?
No, sir, I submitted after this class. I forgot to submit.
But you have done, huh?
Yes, sir. I did not do the last case study question, sir.
See, you have an option to submit over there. Is that right? You have an option to submit over there. You have an option to, upload your PDF. You must submit over there. What about others? What about others? Guys, and Amrita Patnaik, what about you, beta?
Yes, sir.
Are you solving, which chapter you are solving now?
Yes, sir. Trigonometry.
You done with your worksheet? Have you submitted that?
Yes, sir.
Good. And what about Pratyusha, Prativa? Have you submitted the worksheet?
Sir, I did it, but I forgot to submit. I'll submit today.
Submission should be on time. जो submission मतलब उसको फोटो खींच के PDF बना के उस पे अपलोड करना. Submission in the sense you cannot like PDF. I should see everyone is submitting in a PDF format, so that it will be easy for us. Whenever I want, I can have a look at that. ऐसा फोटो खींच के नहीं भेजना, ठीक है? Images. Don't send images. Make a PDF form. And how many guys? Everyone knows a PDF. PDF बनाना सबको आता है ना? Hello, guys. Anyone have an issue with making a PDF, taking a picture and make a PDF of that? Clear? आया समझ?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. So everyone must follow that. So what about Udbhav? Did you submit your worksheet?
Sir, I have to.
कब करोगे?
आज कर दूंगा.
See, I should see everyone submitting. Look at this. Let me have a look at this. आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
नहीं सर.
एक मिनट देखो, मैंने आपको बताऊंगा एक. So worksheets कहाँ है? वर्कशीट्स देखो, वर्कशीट्स इधर है. तो I just see only 4 members have submitted. That is Ahmed, Amrita, Anudip, and Mohammad Shaikh. Ahil also submitted. Who is Adarsh Paul? There are many people who didn't submit. Diksha didn't submit. Tushar didn't submit. Prativa didn't submit. Pratyusha didn't submit. Tanvi didn't submit. Srija, okay, she is not there. So Udbhav didn't submit. Steve didn't submit. Sira, Yogesh didn't submit. Javian, who is Javian, didn't submit. Many people didn't submit, guys. I should see everyone submitting by
Sir.
tomorrow.
Sir, I have exams going on, right, sir? After exams, I'll send.
Look at this here. 13th was the deadline, guys. 13th was the deadline. Look at 13th August. 13th August. Today I'm going to post one more worksheet on your areas related to circles. All right. Chalo. So now let us have a, in last class we have solved like 8th problem till 8th problem. Next. 9th one. Tell me the answer of 9th one. Make it fast. Takatak, takatak. Guys, we have all the RD Sharma problems. You guys make sure that you are solving your NCRT questions. Okay, ठीक है. Make
Yes,
it fast. जल्दी से जल्दी करो. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is equal to sum of the circumference of two circles of a radii 15 and 18 centimeter. फटाफट कैसा करना है इसको? I should see that. Sira, Yogesh, did you submit? Did submit. Are you, which chapter you are solving with now? Sira, Yogesh, which chapter you are solving? Guys, you have plenty of questions over here. Look at this. You have plenty of questions. I will, submit all these questions to you. We'll solve as many questions as possible in this class. So remaining questions, you must make it out. Today is the last session for solving areas related to circles. So it's a simple, very simple, chotu chapter actually. But he has given very, less, syllabus. He has given very less syllabus to finish it up. So we'll go
Sir?
ahead. Yes.
Sir, I got the answer.
What's the answer?
33 centimeter.
Yes, 33 centimeters is the right answer. What about others? How did you solve?
Sir, first I took the circumference of the first circle is 2 pi r1. Then I took 2 pi r2. So 2 pi r1 is 15, 2 pi r2 is 18. Then 2 pi cancel, r1 is 15,
No.
r2.
2 pi r1 is not 15. R1 is 15.
Yes, sir. R1 is 15 and R2 is 18. Then the radius of the circumference of these two circles, the mix of that will be the bigger circle. So its circumference will obviously be the sum of the radius of the two circles. So that is 33.
So circumference if I consider, so circumference is equal to circumference 1 plus 2. This
Yes.
is 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2.
We can
Okay.
cancel 2 pi in all, sir.
Okay, 2 pi r2. देखो 2 pi कॉमन करके सब में कैंसिल कर सकते हो. R is equal to r1 plus r2. I know that R is equal to what? 15 plus 18. सिंपल बन गया. R is
33
equal to 33. कितना लड्डू सवाल है. सिंपल सवाल. Next question. Guys, any doubts here? Make it fast. Any doubts? Shall we move forward now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
We
must-
can move
guys,
forward.
you cannot solve like this. You have to write, data. I'm just telling you how to solve it. Okay. हम लोग डेटा लिखते हुए हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. ठीक है. फटाफट. The radii of two circles 8, 6 respectively. Find the radius of a circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Area is equal to sum of the areas of two circles.
Sir, I got the answer.
What is that?
Sir, 10 centimeter.
How?
Sir, we can take R1 is 8 centimeter, R2 is 6 centimeter. So they have given that the areas of the sum of the areas of the two circles.
We have to find
the
out the radius of a circle having its area is equal to sum of areas of two circles.
Yes, sir.
So radii 1 and radii 2 given. Guys, I need a response from everyone.
Sir, I got R is equal to 10 centimeters.
R is equal to 10, you got? Yes, very good. So radii. So R1 given as 8 centimeters and R2 we got as 6 centimeters. So radius with what is the radius here? Pi r square. Well, this is my area 1. What is the area 2 here? Pi 6 square. So area 1 is equal to 64 pi and area 2 is equal to 36 pi. Clear? All right. Centimeter square here. Centimeter square. मत भूलना. Unit मत भूलना लिखते हुए. Everyone should know. All right. So what he has given sum of areas. So we have to find out a big area which is equal to sum of these two areas. आया समझ? So area is equal to 64 plus 36 pi centimeter square. So area is equal to 100 pi centimeter square. I will get. Clear? So look at this. I need a radius here. So area is equal to this much. I got area is equal to 100 pi centimeter square. So area, what is the area formula? Pi r square is equal to 100 pi. So pi will be getting cancelled. R square is equal to 100. Then R is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Koi doubt? Any doubts here? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Very simple. Girls, any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next question. The radii of two circles, this given, find the radius and area of the circle which has circumference is equal to sum of circumference of two circles. Very simple, guys. It's the homework.
I got it, sir.
Did you solve all these questions in prior or now you are solving?
No, sir. Now I'm solving.
Good. So yes, there's a homework. 11th one is a homework, guys. So next 12th one. And all these questions, whatever the questions we are not making here, everything is a homework. Okay, I mean, I just told you the worksheet, right? This is a worksheet. Actually, this is a worksheet. You can just solve these questions first, and I'll share worksheet, one more worksheet as well. Guys, I'm telling you, right? So I wanted to submit a worksheet. That worksheet is, I'll post it tomorrow probably, or today itself I'll post it, but I'll extend the deadline to solve that. No problem, but you have to make it first, and first and foremost priority goes to these problems. First solve these problems. Why? Because these problems are RD Sharma problems. You must make it out. So if you solve all this stuff, then you can able to solve all the problems for in your worksheet, the whichever I'm going to share. First, today's homework is this one. Today I should see everyone is today and tomorrow everyone should finish all these sums. Today and tomorrow everyone. Okay, so 12 to 1. Make it fast. Find the area of a circular playground. Circular playground is 176 meters square. Find the cost of fencing this ground at the rate of 50 per meter. Make it fast. What he has given? Circular playground. Area दिया है. ठीक है, एरिया per r square. Circular playground means what? Circular playground. ये हो गया मेरा circular playground. He has given the area of this. He has given area of this circular playground. What is the area given? Pi r square is equal to 176. All right. So find it out now. R value from this. I know pi value as 22/7. R square is equal to 176. So R square is equal to 176 into 7/22. So 22 ones, 22, and how many times 22 makes 176? Make it fast. 22 ones are 22. You can say 176 divided by 22. So 22 ones are 10. 22 eights. So 22 eights how much? 22 eights how much? 22 into 8, 86, 176. Yes, 176 I have here. Look at this, 176 we have here. So yes, 22 eights are. So 006. So R square is equal to 1008 into 7. कितना आएगा? 7 करोगे तो 7 8 56, 7005, 700 717. So R square is equal to how much? R square is equal to what? Square root of
Sir,
Sir, I got the answer.
What is that?
The cost of fencing the ground would be 26,400 rupees.
So R is equal to square root of 7056. What is R value here? Square root of 7. You can just calculate square root of any value by using your prime factorization. So 2 3s are 2, 5s are 2, 2s are 2, 8s are 2, 17s are 2, 4s are 2, 8s are 2, 8s are 2, 2s are 2 4s are 2, 4s are 1s are 21 1s are 21 1s are. Clear? So look at this. So you can do like, you can just prime factorization, right? So 4 ones I got here, 2 21s. I can just 2 numbers as one pair for finding square root. So here 2, here 2, here 21. So 21 into 4 how much? 84. So 84 is my answer. 84 is what? My R value. Clear? So 84 I got. Is it clear? I got 84. R value. How many of you got 84?
I got the same value for radius.
Very good. That is a procedure to solve. R value 84 I got. Okay, sir, what he has given? Find the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing. This ground is 50 per meter square. So 50 per meter
First, we need to find the circumference. Then we can multiply that by 50.
Yes. So circumference. Without finding circumference, you cannot. Circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r. 2 pi matlab 22/7 into r, 84. 8 ones are 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 44 into 12. 44 into 12 करेंगे तो 12 4s 48. 12 4s 48 52. So 528 meters आएगा. तो 500, ये तो पूरा circumference. ठीक है, तो 1 मीटर के लिए कितना पैसा था? 1 meter how much? 50 rupees. So into 50 करेंगे तो 528 into 50 करेंगे तो 500 into 2000
26,400.
so 26,400 rupees you got. This many rupees you need for what is that, fencing. इसको रुपीस में लिख दो ऐसा, ठीक है. Is that clear? Any doubts guys? Any doubts here? So find the cost. This is the cost of fencing. Sir, we found R value, right? But why did we find out circumference again? भाई circumference पता है तभी तो मुझे पता चलेगा कितना पैसा लगेगा. Guys, look at this here. But let me give a basic example. If you do not know the area, if you do not know boundary कितना है, if you do not know the boundary of particular circle, then how come you understand that? How come you decide? How come you judge that मुझे कितना पैसा लगेगा? अगर आपको नहीं पता है circumference का value, circumference पता है तभी तो हमको पता चलेगा कि इतना रुपया लगेगा, इतना पैसा लगेगा उसको फेंस करने में. आया समझ? This is how you must understand this question. Clear? Yes, tell me, Anujip.
No, sir, nothing. You asked why did
Yes,
so you
no,
asked why
yeah.
did we take
Yes, no problem. Next 14th one, make it fast. 13th one, sorry, 13th one.
What is an inscribed?
Find the area of the circumscribed and inscribed. Guys, look at this. Yes, someone is asking.
Sir?
Huh?
Does inscribed mean concentric?
Sorry.
No, so they will be concentric circles, right? Circle inside a circle. Is it like that?
Inscribed means you can say marked. I mean, like highlighted one. You could say. देखो मैंने बताऊंगा. देखो inscribed मतलब एक सर्किल होगा, ठीक है. ये कोई भी एक हेक्सागन ले लो, पेंटागन ले लो, इसको बोलता है inscribed circle. Circle is inscribed in triangle. ये देखो इस circle is inscribed in square. Like that. आया? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, then what would be the circumscribed circle?
Circumscribed means like that, what should I say exactly? That उसके circumference पे थोड़ा क्या बोलता है, थोड़ा cover किया होगा. आया समझ रहा?
Sir, I got answer for 13.
हाँ. देखो
Sir, I wrote it in terms of pi only, sir. I wrote it 40 by pi centimeter square.
मुझे बताना है, मतलब मुझे बता दो अभी. देखो मैं बताऊंगा. सरकमफ्रेंस तो मतलब ये होता है. इंस्क्राइब्ड मतलब देखो ये एक ट्रायंगल ले लिया, एक पॉलीगॉन में ट्रायंगल को डालना, ये इंस्क्राइब्ड हो गया. सब सरकमप्राइज्ड मींस अंडर द सर्किल यू ड्राइंग अ ट्रायंगल. दोनों में समझ में आया डिफरेंस? शट अप.
Yes, sir.
Circumference means in that by touching the boundary, by touching the circumference of a particular circle, drawing a couple of drawing different figures, different shapes. And inscribed means by touching that circumference of a circle, drawing a triangle around that. Clear? ये होता है. Yes, tell me.
So, sir, inside the square, the circle is there. You need to find the area of that circle. That's it.
हाँ देखो ये स्क्वायर दिया है ना, तो स्क्वायर डाल देंगे. देखो इसमें क्या होता है, ये होगा मेरा क्या. अरे भाई आई एम नॉट गुड एट डायग्राम्स. 1 सेकेंड. ये क्या ऐसा बन रहा है, अंडा जैसा बन रहा है भाई. 1 मिनट. अरे यार. देखो 2 सर्किल ले लो, इसमें स्क्वायर है, ठीक है. ड्राइंग स्क्वायर इनसाइड दिस. it is looking like rectangle, but you assume that square. ठीक है, तो इसमें एंड ये तो ये हुआ है, देखो ये एक स्क्वायर ले लिया कुछ भी, स्क्वायर के अंदर सर्किल डालना, ठीक है। आया समझ?
Sir, I found the area of the inscribed circle to be 62.85 centimeters square.
Oh my goodness.
Sir, inscribed circle means the circle, I think it's inside the square, sir.
1 second. Sorry, what do you say?
Sir, I said that inscribed circle they have written, right? So I think the circle is
Inside the square. That is what I'm telling, right? Look at it here. Circle inside the square. That is what I'm, look at the arrow mark here. This is circumscribed and this is inscribed. Oh yeah, that's what I told you. Okay, this is what circumscribed is. Inscribed means circle inside the square. Yes, now perfect.
Sir?
Yes, tell me, what is the answer? Come on.
Sir, I didn't calculate the answer yet, but
Hmm.
can I tell a method to solve this? Sir, that square which is inside the circle, the circumscribed circle, if you take that, sir, one side if we take it's 10 centimeter, then it's forming a chord, right?
Yes.
So it will divide the circle into major segment and minor segment.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
And so the diagonals of the circle, diagonals of the square will bisect each other.
Okay. Look at this here. Yes. Now the side of the square is given 10 centimeter. Side means A ho gaya 10 centimeter. Kuch bhi, isn't it? Isn't it? What is that? Look at this. Now if I just draw this, ये तो मेरा क्या होगा, diagonal हो गया. I need what? I need to find the area of circumference. I need this one. I need area of this one. I need to find out that area. So how can I find it out? How can I find it out? A side of a square given 10 centimeter. Okay, first you find out. Okay, 1 second. Side of a square given 10 centimeter, find the area of circumference. So we need not to find out this, we have to find out this one. Clear? So what is the radius of circle? What is the radius of circle here? Tell me, batao. What is the radius? This is a center. This is a center. So this is the center, this is the radius.
The radius will be the diagonal divided by 2.
Radius is what? Radius is equal to?
Diagonal divided by 2. Diagonal of the square divided by 2.
Radius of circle is what? Diagonal. Yeah, 2 diagonals. So diagonal divided by 2.
Sir, can we take a right angle triangle and use the Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, diagonal by 2. Why? Because 2 times of radius gives me diagonal here. Like diameter. Isn't it? You understand? Yes or no?
So the diameter of the circle.
So, okay, this is what I got. So diagonal of square is what basically? What is the formula?
Sir, can we not take it as a right angle triangle and use the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse and then divide that by 2?
Sorry, diagonal of the square. Side side into root 2. This is what diagonal in the formula. For this formula, root 2 into side, root 2s. Tell me, shut up. You're saying something.
No, sir, I was saying that if we take any given diagonal, since all sides are equal, and we know that a side is 10, so
Pythagoras
it will
theorem.
form a
Okay.
right angle triangle. Yeah.
Okay, so you mean this one 10? It's also 10. We can find it out that that is also 10 then, isn't it? So hypotenuse square is equal. So 100 plus 100. So 200. Square root of 200 you will get. Square root of 200. So after that, what would you do? Instead of doing that, can we do like this? So 10 root 2 I'll get diagonal of the square. Okay. So what is the
So-
radius? What is the radius here? Radius
Diagonal by 2. So 10 root 2
radius
by
is
2.
equal to diagonal by 2. So
So
radius
that
is equal
will be
diagonal is what?
10 by 10 by root 2, sir.
So,
10 by
so
root
this can be as 10 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. This will get cancelled 10 by root 2.
10 by root 2.
So this is what my radius. Radius of particular.
Can we just take as 5 root 2?
Yes, sir. 5 root 2. Yes, sir.
Oh, that is also correct. Look at this. You can do 5 root 2.
Sir, I did it the Pythagoras theorem way, and I'm getting radius as 7.7 approximately.
Radius, what are you getting? What are you getting?
7.7 approximately.
That is also correct. You can just do by Pythagoras theorem also, you can do that. So look at this now. This is my radius I got. Now what is area? What is area? Pi r square. Substitute there. We know r value, so we can find out area of circle. Is that clear? So here radius is what? 5 into 1.414. So it is like 14 5 how much? 75, right? So somewhere you will get, so 14 5 70. So 7.0 somewhere you will get 14.706 somewhere. Yeah, approximately. This is approximately, not exact value. We can just check it out. 7.06. How I just calculated quickly because how? Because look at how I done is 14 5 how much? 14 5 how much? 70. So 70 it will be somewhere 7.0 something. That's how I just found that. So what is area of circle?
Pi r square, sir.
So 22 by 7. R square is what? 7.06 into 7.06. So calculate this.
Sir, can we round it off to 7.7? It will become easy.
Yeah, you mean like in the 7 table you can calculate?
Sir, we can just take 5 root 2 since we're squaring the radius. The root 2 will just cancel.
Sorry?
We can take the radius as 5 root 2 as well, because the radius square will cancel the square. We'll cancel
Then
the
it will
root, sorry.
become 50, sir. It will become 50.
Okay, so approximately this is a 7.0, sir. So that I'll be take 7 as it is. That's what you're saying? Approximately. So this will get cancelled. So 22 into 7 somewhere. 40, 150.
22 into 7.1.
Excuse me. 154. You mean this way? Shut up.
No, sir, I was saying we can take pi as 22 by 7, and then radius square, we can just take 5 root 2 whole square. So we get 25 into 2 is equal to 50.
You mean the radius? So let's start doing like this.
And 50 by 7.
Okay, got your point. So 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Isn't it? So 22 into 25 into 2. So 50 you will get here. Isn't it? 50 by 7. So 57 how much? 22 into 5 how much? 110. So 1100. 1100 by 7. 1100 by 7. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1100 by 7 I got. What
I'm
is
getting
the,
approximately 157.1.
need not to write an accurate answer, like approximate answer is fine. So 1100 by 7 I got. This is my area. If you calculate, you will get somewhere. So what is asking for? Find the area of circumference. So this is what area? Any doubts? This is my area, guys, isn't it? Hello?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, no doubt. So we can also take 51 pi, right? 50 pi.
See, this is a like this is what area of what do you get here? 1100 by 7. How much you got?
I got 157.14.
1100 by 7. How much you got? 114.
57.14.
You got this one. So this is what area of this is centimeter square. This is area of circumference, area of circumferenced circle. Inscribed the circle. Okay. So what is the area of the inscribed circle? Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm finding it.
Guys, by 2 सेमी, अरे भाई देखो उसमें हाफ ही तो होगा ना. देखो ये स्क्वायर, देखो ये बड़ा सर्किल में ये छोटा सर्किल हाफ ही होगा, है समझ. तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली बाई 2 इज वही, और इसको बाई 2 कर देंगे तो क्या बोलेगा, क्या होगा मेरा एरिया ऑफ
There's 78.57 centimeters square.
इंस्क्राइब्ड सर्किल. मुझे आएगा 170 बाई 2 कितना आएगा, 70 2 7 14
78 by 5.57.
5 point some
78.57.
78.5 somewhere. Yeah, this is what your answer, guys. Clear? This is how you can find it out, guys. Remaining questions you must solve. All these questions you take within within you have Sunday holiday, right? So tomorrow we don't have class, Sunday also we don't have class, so you got 2 days of holidays. So everyone should solve all these questions are homework.
Sir, are you going to post them on Google Classroom?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
Yes.
All this question homework. Okay. Okay. Try solving this. If you don't get anything, please do ask. Homework for 28/08/2021. So this is a homework. Clear? Yes. Okay, let's retire now. I think we have done with the time. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts? Girls, any doubt? Girls is not responding in class. Everyone should respond. I need a response from everyone. Guys, are you able to follow? Okay. Thank you, children. No problem.